Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick the shooting methods. So here we are. Now let's focus on the second option, voice control. By using this button we can easily turn it on and another tap to turn it off when we don't need it. And when we have this turn it on, we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords, as you can see: smile, cheese, capture or shoot. And we can also record videos by saying record video. Now let me keep this turn it on. Let's go back to the camera and let me try to take a photo without touching the screen by saying, for example, smile, smile. And as you can see, we have to be pretty loud that the device can hear us, but this is how it works. The picture was taken with the keywords smile. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.